Teacher. Wait lang. You don't like it? Hello? How are you, lurkers? Are you okay or are you still alive? I'm ready. Jerry, I'm ready. You have makeup today too. No, I only put lipstick. Only lipstick. Nothing. I don't have makeup. I put only like this. Oh.